The manufacturing hub of Made in Italy fashion luxury Holding Moda wanted to develop a Metaverse Experience prototype for an event in their operations showrooms to allow visitors to see and touch clothes virtually, experiencing real-time fabric sensation like silks, cotton and leather. We decided to use the TouchDIVER Haptic glove for its precision in virtually replicating real-world tactile sensations. TouchDIVER helped us to reach the project's goal because its haptic feedback capabilities allowed us to recreate the tactile sensation of luxury fabrics. This bridged the gap between the virtual and physical worlds. This ensured the user of the Metaverse Experience prototype could not only see but also authentically feel the garments in virtual reality, giving them a richer understanding of their quality and craftsmanship. TouchDIVER could potentially revolutionize the way individuals interact with the virtual world. Beyond just seeing and hearing, the power of touch can elevate virtual experience, making them more immersive and lifelike. In virtual retail, shoppers could use it to feel the texture of the products before making online purchase. But the applications are potentially endless. TouchDIVER could also make the metaverse and virtual reality more in general place where all senses truly come live.